ceiling is really mouldy, so I'm going to use baking powder and white vinegar.
I did it about 6 or 7 times.
First, put a layer on and go over it with a toothbrush.
I did 2 applications of shop bought mould remover. It was cruelty-free and I reused the bottle.
Getting crap.
The Hoover then helped get the mould on.
Some looks really good and some look shit.
For those wondering why my hair is now wet, I had a little hair mask and lunch break. Anyway, back to the mould.
Oh, that's got on my guts.
I would say the vinegar solution worked best.
Oh, it's so sweet. Actually, it brings a little bit of bleaching. Just gonna wash the old hands. There was so much mould that in the end I just left it on overnight. It's very kind of conservative. I do think some people drive past and like, oh my god, a woman out of the house, working on a car without a bra, smiling, and has hairy underarms. It's a good little challenge for them. Still a little bit mouldy, but this is so much better.